What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So basically today is a beautiful Sunday, a beautiful day, and I am here at this location. It's called the Dushu Lake Church. So I am at Dushu Lake area. This is actually where I used to stay before, but I moved. So now I'm here because it's a Sunday. I'm here with my drone, here with my camera gear. Just want to capture this area. I'm just here to capture as much beauty as I can, and hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I don't know if you noticed, but there's an excessive amount of people here, and amongst these people there are lots of couples who come here for their wedding shoots. So apparently it's some kind of culture here in China where the couples, it's not actually their wedding day, but they come out here just to take photos in their wedding gown. So lots of parks, lots of gardens, especially on the weekends. You're gonna see lots of Chinese couples out taking wedding photos. And another thing they do is kites. So they fly lots of kites, if you can see. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed my calming, hopefully not too stressful video of this location. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment, because I always read them and I always reply to them. So thanks so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys. and here to take I'm gonna take a What is up, guys? This is Caleb here. Probably cannot hear what I'm